Meaning of brick. Brick is a noun meaning a small rectangular block used for building, usually made of clay. It can also be used informally to describe someone reliable or solid. As a verb, it can mean to block or disable, especially in tech. Example, brick a phone. 10 daily use example sentences. As a noun. 1. The house is made of red bricks. 2. He stacked the bricks neatly. 3. A brick fell from the wall. 4. They built a path using bricks. 5. She used a brick as a doorstop. Informal use. 6. Thanks for helping, you're a real brick. Equals dependable person. As a verb, informal/tech use. 7. Don't mess with the settings, you might brick your phone. 8. A software update bricked my device. 9. The tablet got bricked after a failed install. 10. He accidentally bricked his game console.